I'm continuing the series of small things or things that aren't going to really hurt your pocketbook in order to have a lasting impact when you sell your home. So today's home tip, and there's going to be a number of these, I might do a few of these in a row, is all about decluttering your home. It makes a huge impact. Sometimes people just don't know where to start. So today's tip is, where do you start? The first thing you should probably do is get a bin. I don't care the size, just call one of those garbage companies and put a bin outside of your home. Now what you're gonna wanna do is go through the home. If there are things in the house which you basically need to throw out, or you're not gonna bring to the new home, get rid of them. Toss them out into that bin. You'd be surprised how fast that bin will fill up. Again, if you're not gonna bring it to the new home, just toss it. Don't worry about it. The second thing is for clothing or even toys or other things like that, when you're going through the home, if you haven't used them or you haven't worn the clothing in over a year, it's probably a really good idea just to donate them. We always lie to ourselves saying, oh, maybe I'm gonna bring this or I'm gonna wear this someday, and then it just sits in your closet for another year. And then when you think about it, you should have just donated. If it's in good conditions, it's even better motivation to donate it, because there are people in need that need clothing like that you can help out. So don't bring it to the new house, just donate all that stuff which you're probably not gonna use or wear anyway.